Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Friday, November 8th. Seeing some mostly sunny skies and chillier temperatures out there this morning as we have a cold, dry air mass moving in with high pressure building in. We did see those winds a little bit higher with that frontal passage overnight, and they were a little bit just at that wind advisory criteria on the island earlier this morning. They've did die down for about an hour, but are starting to ramp up again, so we can't expect to see another wind advisory here within the next half hour, likely. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, there's that front that brought a little bit of rain across the Delmarva. Didn't really see that much, only about 5/100ths of an inch of rain here. Up in Salisbury, really only saw about 100th of an inch, so not too much measurable rainfall. But behind this front, we have seen those winds shift northwesterly. They will pick up as we get these pressure gradients tightening up a bit as high pressure builds in. That's going to usher in a drier and colder air mass, and as that high pressure continues to move eastward, we're going to continue to see cold temperatures today and tomorrow with some sub-freezing temperatures across the entire region as we go into tomorrow morning. As of 8 a.m., just seeing a few clouds near 3,800 feet, few at 20,000, scattered at 25,000. Winds are from azimuth 330 at 11 knots, gusting to 19 knots. Temperature was just below 40 degrees with a humidity of around 65%. Let's take a quick look at our satellite loop this morning. There's that large area of cloudiness associated with that front that brought us that rainfall late last evening and overnight. And since then, we do have that northwesterly flow. You can kind of see some of these clouds streaming off of the warmer bay waters as this colder air moves in. And we're going to just continue to see partly cloudy skies and very cold temperatures today, only getting up into the mid to upper 40s for our high this afternoon. Taking a look at our forecast for today, that high is going to be 46 this afternoon. Winds are going to become north-northwesterly around 13 to 18 knots by the late morning hours with wind gusts to close to 30 knots. So, like I said, we can't expect a reissuance of that wind advisory pretty soon here. They'll start to die down as we go into the afternoon hours, and then tonight becoming fairly light from the north, only around 5 to 10 knots just after sunset, then around 3 to 8 knots by the pre-dawn hours of Saturday morning. Under mostly clear skies, and then those light northerly winds are going to help to contribute to a very cold temperature of 27 here at Wallops, possibly even a little colder across the more interior portions of the Delmarva. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, just going to really see a few clouds at 4,000 feet and a few cirrus clouds as we go throughout much of the workday today. Then this afternoon, just seeing a scattered upper level deck near 25,000 feet, and that's going to continue into the overnight hours as well, perhaps becoming broken at times. And then by mid-morning tomorrow, just seeing a few clouds near 15,000 feet and a few near 25,000 feet. For tomorrow, going to be partly cloudy and unseasonably cold, and high of 46 expected again tomorrow. Saturday night, we're going to start to see those temperatures become a little bit more moderate as we get more of a southerly flow starting to develop as that high shifts off to the east. So expecting still a chilly low, though, of around 38 degrees. That low should occur early with the temperatures slowly rising later in the evening under partly cloudy skies. Then Sunday, looking at a much more seasonable day. It's going to be rather pleasant out there with a high of 59. Winds should remain light under partly cloudy skies. That'll do it for your daily operations brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.